In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the scroll bar in Google Chrome. If you're looking to create a cleaner, more streamlined browsing experience by hiding those scroll bars, you're in the right place. Stick around, and I'll guide you through the whole process step by step. It's both simple and effective, and it shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, open up a new tab in your Google Chrome browser. When you have that open, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your screen. You'll want to type in chrome/flag/ without the quotation marks and hit enter. This command takes you to Chrome's Experiments page, a place where you can tweak advanced features that aren't typically as accessible in the main settings menu. Once you're on the Experiments page, direct your attention to the search bar, which you'll find positioned at the top of the page. Type scroll, or alternatively, overlay scroll bars, into this search bar. This action helps you narrow down the numerous settings available and brings you directly to what we're looking for. Now that you've searched for scroll, spot the Overlay Scroll Bars option. It should be listed right there. You'll notice a drop-down menu located next to this option. Go ahead and click on that drop-down menu, which will present you with a list of options. From the list, select Enabled. This change will activate the Overlay Scroll Bar feature, which essentially hides the scroll bar until you begin interacting with the content. It's a subtle change that makes for a tidier, more visually appealing interface while still retaining functionality. After making your selection, you'll see a button appear at the bottom of your window. This button will prompt you to relaunch Chrome. All you need to do is click on that button. Relaunching is crucial as it applies all the changes you've just made. Don't worry about losing your open tabs or ongoing downloads. Chrome is designed to remember your session state when you restart it. And there you have it. Once Chrome relaunches, you'll notice that the scroll bars are now hidden, only appearing when you start scrolling for a more minimalistic browsing experience. This small tweak can really enhance the look and feel of web pages, giving your browser a cleaner appearance. Thank you for watching and following along with me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your tech experiences. Happy browsing, and see you in the next video.